Instagram needs your permission to have access to your photos, just like any other applications. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can adjust the setting that suits your preferences. In order to do so, you want to open your settings and scroll down to find apps. And here you want to find Instagram. As you can see, Instagram has access to my location as well as my contacts, my photos. And as you can see, for my photos, I have given Instagram full access. So if I want to change that, I'm just going to tap on this. And as you can see, my phone is giving me three options, either none. So every time I want to post something on Instagram, Instagram does not have access to my photos gallery. And it will ask me to change the settings. So if I put it on limited access every time you want to post something on Instagram, it will only have access to that limited amount of photos that you have actually given it access to. So for me, it's just easier to give Instagram full access. But if you want, you can change it to any model that you want. Hope that helps, and always protect your privacy. Don't forget to subscribe for more.